London, Europe's major stock markets were flat to firmer on Thursday, November 23, with the U.S. markets shut for Thanksgiving. Equities are positive, but typically quiet, in view of the U.S. holiday, said Accendo Markets analyst, Mike Van Dulken. While London and Frankfurt were both more or less flat at the end of the session, Paris made much stronger gains, buoyed by the release of favorable economic indicators for both France and the wider Eurozone, traders said. Business rose sharply across the Eurozone in November, a key survey showed, as job creation hit the fastest pace in 17 years and the economic recovery in Europe gained steam. Analysts said the rise in the headline readings of the survey by data monitoring company IHS Markit was a confirmation that the Eurozone economy was resilient against the shock of Brexit and would mean a banner year for economic growth. In France, in particular, private sector activity rose its highest level in 6.5 years. IG analyst Chris Beecham noted that European markets had a little wobble at the start of the session, following a downbeat session in Asia. The drying up of trading volumes over the past 24 hours prompted mini routes in the FTSE and the DAX, but these seem to have run their course with both indices moving off their lows. German investor sentiment was subdued amid ongoing political uncertainty following the collapse of talks to form a new coalition government at the weekend. London was burnt by domestic energy supplier Centrica issuing a gloomy profits warning that sent its share price diving almost 18% to 134.30 pence. Earlier, in Asia, equities were mostly deflated, with Tokyo also shut for a public holiday. The dollar struggled following the previous day's losses as dovish Federal Reserve minutes rode back expectations for U.S. interest rate hikes. While board members at the U.S. Central Bank will likely lift borrowing costs next month, official records of their October meeting indicate some are increasingly concerned about persistently low inflation as well as high equity prices. The release of the minutes came after data showing a surprise drop in key durable goods orders, fueling a sell-off in the greenback across the board. Expectations that rates would be lifted several times next year, partly through an improving economy and flagged tax cuts, helped drive the dollar up over the past year. Key figures around 1640 GMT. London, FTSE 100, flat at 7,417.24, close. Frankfurt, DAX 30, down 0.05% at 13,008.55, close. Paris, CAC 40, up 0.5% at 5,379.54, close. Euro STOXX 50, up 0.3% at 3,572.07. Hong Kong, Hang Seng, down 1.0% at 29,707.94, close. Shanghai, Composite, down 2.3% at 3,351.92, close. Tokyo, Nikkei 225, closed for a public holiday. New York, Dow, closed for a public holiday. Euro/dollar, flat at US dollar 118.48. Pound/dollar, flat at US dollar 133.04. Yen, flat at 111.21 yen. Oil, Brent North Sea, down 15 cents at $63 per barrel. Oil, West Texas Intermediate, up 22 cents at $58 and 24 cents.